Hey guys, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations. So, I've done several different carves for you guys, but today I'm doing something new that I haven't ever done for a video before. I'm gonna carve a Tiki Chief. So, let's take a look at it. Alright, so, John, thanks again for the butternut and basswood. This is a plank of butternut. It's 1 foot long and 5 inches wide. Okay, so we got room for error here. Alright, so right here's gonna be the eyebrow. Alright, that'll be sitting highest besides the nose here. I'm not for sure what shape I'm gonna do the nose, but it is what it is. Then we got the eyes here with the little eye socket, and this guy is supposed to have raised eyes instead of the holes that I usually do. So we'll see how that goes. And then further down the board we got the nose that I mentioned before, different than the wood spirit nose for sure. And then we got the mustache and the screaming warrior mouth, I call it, because this will be raised above all this out here and it'll be hollow inside. So I'm gonna use my Kutzall Extreme Flame Burr for most of this carve. So that's what I'm gonna be carving today. And so just real quick while I'm finishing my cigarette, as you guys know, I currently don't have a shop where I can carve year-round, so this might be one of my last videos for this year. I mean, I might make some short ones painting and such, or maybe try my hand at knife carving. I don't know. We'll see what the rest of the year brings. So, but for sure I'll be back at it come spring when it starts warming up. Okay, it all depends on how cold it gets this winter. And I've heard that we're due for a cold winter here, so we'll see what happens. But does that mean that I'm going to quit YouTubing this winter? No, because I got another YouTube channel. It's a mobile gaming channel. Okay, I got me a screen recorder. I record myself playing different games. All right, and then I put those recordings into a video, and then I upload it. So, if any of you guys are video gamers, specifically mobile gamers, then I'll put a link to my other channel in the description of this video or in the comments or some fucking where, okay? And that way, if you want to, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my other channel and be able to keep up with me and all that fun stuff through the winter. So, now, let's get carving. I'm taking a short break right now from the carving. I'm enjoying me a little Swisher Sweet Mini. Don't hold it against me, okay? So I got the basic cut of the upper, everything above the lip or the mustache or whatever it turns into, done. Hi, Mom. Love you. So, well, Mom might wave at you as she backs up. I don't know. She come home for lunch today, so that's awesome. But all this roughage in here, I'm gonna use my chisel bits to try to smooth out, because that's quite a bit to sand, and I'm gonna cut deeper. I'm gonna cut deeper around the eyes, and then up here on both sides of the eyebrow. Okay? Yeah, I'm giving this guy a unibrow. Don't judge me, okay? So, and then around the eyes, and wait, I already said that. And then this, I don't know what I'm turning this into right here, but I guess, I don't know, but I like it, so I'm keeping it. Okay? So I'm just gonna make it a little more defined. And then down here, we'll cut deeper with the chisels to both deepen it and help smooth it out. That way there's not as much shit to have to sand away when we get to the sanding point. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna shape the nose and the eyes. And there's still, damn stink bugs, there's still a good chance that these eyes could still turn into my classic holes in the wood. I've never been good at eyes, okay? So yeah, so that's where we stand with the carving. And there's so much that you can do with a plank of wood, especially, I mean, look at that. That's 1.5 inches deep at least. Let's find out. Okay, 1.25 inches. So that's so much potential that you can work with. Okay, so if all you got is 2x4s or 6s or whatever, get to carve it, because you can make shit out of them too. Okay, so I got my chisel bit hooked up, and let's get to work. this is the end result. Before staining, of course, or painting, or whatever you're into. This is my tiki carving. And I chose to do this because, honestly, right now, I want to be somewhere on a beach, sipping something strong, toes in the water, ass in the sand, you know, sunny and 75. But this has been Nate's Carving Creations. So, y'all remember, you saw it here on Nate's Carving Creations. I love y'all. Happy late Halloween. Happy early Thanksgiving, and and Merry Christmas. So don't be alarmed if you don't hear from me till next spring. That's okay. Sometimes I go into hibernation. Okay? So, but when I start doing videos again, I'll tell you what, here's my plan. I'm going to be coming up with new ideas, new carvings to do videos on. So come 2022, yeah, but for sure, there will be new carvings coming your way. So, till next time, peace out. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now I gotta edit it.